Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a PR package. It is from Leia Stone and it is for Lies That Bleed. I actually already read this book as soon as it hit my book funnel. I totally downloaded it and read it instantaneously because I like her work, I like her books, and so I've already read it and I know it's amazing. I was telling my daughter about it, and so when I got to see that I was getting a PR package from her, I was like through the roof excited because I'm like, yay, I have copies now other than digital, and I was all excited because I really like the book. So anyways, let's get into this one and let's get and see what's inside. We have a little card at the top that says you've been chosen, and it kind of talks about the book, and I'll give you an overview on the book after we open up the package a little bit. You can see that. I'm going to pull up some of this other stuff up here. Try not to make too big of a mess. We have a really cute pin that says Lies That Bleed. And we have, I'm trying not to make too big of a mess. I should have pre-opened some of this stuff. Yes, I just used my mouth open. I totally witnessed that. You have a cute little this, and I'll probably put this on my bookshelf because it's super cute. So I'll probably just stick it on the bookshelf right behind me. We have a really cute little card. And it says Lies That Bleed. And it has, the little cards have artwork, character artwork on them. Beautiful artwork. And it's funny because when this came and I saw the artwork on the box, it was like, oh my God, that is exactly how I imagined her. So I was pretty excited on that. Okay, and what's left inside the box, it looks like if, oh, there's something else. There's a bag, but there it looks like. There's a little bracelet, and it has her name, Leia Stone, on it, the author's name. So we're going to go ahead and close that up. We're going to open up, I'm assuming the book's in here, which this is a really nice bag. It's leather. That's really nice. Oh, look at the little artwork on the back. See, I didn't even see that. Look at the cute little artwork on the back. I love all the artwork that's on. She put on this one. It really, really is nice. There's 2 books in here. Oh my goodness. There's 2 copies. Okay. There is, oh, wow. These are really pretty. Okay, I'm going to show you these. So here's a paperback version. Look at how pretty that is, guys. Look at the nice little pink sprayed edges. And if anybody doesn't know, pink is my favorite color. Yeah, pink is my favorite color. And we have a really pretty hardback with sprayed edges, stenciled edges, with the cute little feathers on it. Look how pretty that is. I'm just curious. Yep, see, I'm nosy. I don't just look at the outside cover. I have to know what's underneath hardback covers. And it's just plain on the inside, but look at this. This is why you always gotta take off your covers, your dust jackets, because you gotta know if there's something good underneath. Look at this for underneath. And then there's some character art on the inside. Oh God, look at how pretty this character art is. So this book is super pretty. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this book. So this book, I wish see if I have the little thing to read on the back. Is it on the back of this one? Yep. As the daughter of the Emperor, Aslan Everhart was born into privilege. She has trained her entire life to go into the wilds and have a chance at bonding with a creature that can give her unknown power. Half of the candidates will die the first night, and only a few will make it out. Those who survive the bonding and are quickly conscripted into the Imperial Fleet to join the war. What Aisling never could have prepared for was Kohen Badshah, former prince of Imbria, her father's sworn enemy. When Kohen proposes an unlikely alliance, she accepts. They enter the wilds together, and Aisling realizes that she was woefully unprepared, especially when nothing goes to plan. After barely surviving, she's thrust into the Imperial Fleet to learn how to control her new gifts. But as her power grows, so do the dangers, including multiple attempts on her life. When you don't know who is friend or enemy, it's hard to trust. But Kohen Badshah appears to be protecting her. It's that or he's playing one excellent long game. Which one? Only time will tell. Like I said, I really loved this book. I thought it was amazing, and I have to say thank you so much for the PR box. Look at how beautiful all of this is. This is a great gift. I'm so excited. Not only one copy, but 2 copies, a paperback and a hardback. And look at how beautiful. Again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love the gift. It's beautiful. Thank you.